After a brief technical delay, qualification match 5 is working. It's 492 to the blue cargo ship, 1318 to the red, and they each place their hatch panel. Titans falls to the surface, though, so no points there. And as the sandstorm clears, it looks like it will be a slight Red Alliance advantage. 12-6 is what the live scoring is showing now. Looks like the IRS hatch panel also ended up on the floor, so no points there. Lion Robotics 2907 places cargo in the red cargo ship, 3 points for red. And everybody back in search of more game pieces. I see 1318 holding on to cargo. Looks like it's 2907 with cargo as well. 3218, the Panthers looking to pick up hatch panels but having some trouble. Meanwhile, 492 for the Blue Alliance. Titan Robotics has placed a hatch panel high on the Blue Alliance rocket here on the back side, and that helps close the gap now 20-8 in favor of red as we approach a minute and a half to play. In and out for the IRS. 1318 cannot find home with that cargo. They'll go back and try again. Lions caught up on cargo and lose the one they were holding. They'll have to reset. Blue Alliance, no such problems. 492 up high and another hatch panel on the top of that rocket. It's going to be 22-10 once those points are locked in, as we're coming up on 1 minute now to play. 2928, Viking Robotics working on the front side Blue Alliance rocket. They've got a hatch panel in their possession but cannot connect. They're backing up, resetting, and trying again. Cargo going high for 492, and that's good. 3 points on the board for blue there. 3218 has finally collected their Red Alliance hatch panel, and the Panthers put 2 more points on the board for red, locking that here on the rocket. 40 seconds now to play, and 1318 in front of the cargo ship. Check that. They're going to head back home as our endgame period approaches. 3 more points on the top for blue, courtesy of 492, and that closes the gap. 30 seconds now to play, and everybody headed home. 2907 had gone over to defend the Blue Alliance. Now they'll make their way back and work on the hab with their partners. Titan Robotics, first one's up in the air. They are high on level 3 and trying to close it up. They lift their stilts, and they are good. 1318 on level 1, working to get to level 2. Blue Alliance all motionless. They may be done there. 1318 gets up to level 2. They're going to try for level 3, but they run out of time as the Lions roll back onto the floor. Our referees will determine if they score points, and we'll have your results in just a moment. Final scores are confirmed. A very close match, but in the end, victory to the Blue Alliance. 33-31 the final tally. Blue Alliance takes home 3 ranking points, 2 for the victory, 1 for their efforts on the hab. Red Alliance does go home empty-handed this time, but plenty more time to play. We'll be right back.